In this video, we will be solving problem set sum number 7 to 14. Seventh sum is triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. P is a point on the base BC such that PC is equal to 1/3 BC. PC is equal to 1/3 BC. AB is equal to 6 centimeter and we want to find out AP. Because triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore AC will become 6 centimeter, BC will also become 6 centimeter. Because in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. PC is 1/3 BC. So 1/3 of 6, PC value will become 2 centimeter. PC will become 2 centimeter. In this sum, we will be doing one construction, and that is draw AM perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Because AM is perpendicular to BC, so MC will become half of 6, 3 centimeter. Because in an equilateral triangle, perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side bisect the opposite side. Perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side bisect the opposite side. So MC will become half of 6, and that is 3 meter. MC is 3, PC is 2. So MP will become 3 minus 2, 1 centimeter. AM is the height of this equilateral triangle. And remember the formula of height of equilateral triangle. Height of equilateral triangle is √3 upon 2 into side. So √3 upon 2 into 6, which will become 3√3 centimeter. AM will become 3√3 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of AP. In right angle triangle AMP by Pythagoras theorem, AP square is equal to AM square plus MP square. In the place of AM will come 3√3 square plus 1 square. 27 plus 1. 3√3 square is 27. 3 square is 9. √3 square is 3. 9 into 3, 27. 27 plus 1 will become 28. Square will become square root. AP will become √28. Factorize 28. 2 into 2 into 7. So 2√7 centimeter is the answer of AP. In the 8th sum, we have been given triangle PMN. PQ, MQ, QR, PR, RN. All are denoted by A, and we have to prove PM is equal to PN is equal to √3 into A. What we will do is first consider triangle PMR. Consider triangle PMR where PQ is the median. Therefore, by Parallelogram theorem, we have PM square plus PR square is equal to 2PQ square plus 2QR square. Substituting the values, PM square plus PR is A square, PQ is also A square, QR is also A square. PM square is equal to 4A square minus A square. 2A square plus 2A square, 4A square. This plus A square will go on the other side, it will become minus A square. PM square is equal to 3A square. Square will become square root of 3A square. The result is √3A. Statement number 1. We have proved PM is equal to √3A. In order to prove PN is equal to √3A, we will take triangle PQN. In triangle PQN, PR is the median. So if you apply Parallelogram theorem, you will get PQ square plus PN square is equal to 2PR square plus 2RN square. A square plus PN square is equal to 2A square plus 2A square. Similarly, solving this, you will get Pn is equal to root 3a statement number 2. From 1 and 2, Pm is equal to Pn is equal to root 3a. In the ninth sum, we have to prove that the sum of the square of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of the square of the diagonals. Here I have drawn one parallelogram ABCD in which the diagonals are intersecting each other at point M, and we have to prove sum of the square of the diagonals AC square plus BD square is equal to the sum of the square of the sides AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, M is the midpoint of AC, M is the midpoint of BD. In order to prove this, what we will do, let us take triangle ABC where BM is the median. In triangle ABC, BM is the median. Therefore, by Apollonis theorem, we have AB square plus BC square is equal to 2BM square plus 2CM square plus 2CM square. In the place of CM, we could have substituted AM also. AB square plus BC square as it is. In the place of BM, BM is half of BD. BM is half of BD because M is the midpoint. In the place of BM, I will write BD upon 2. And CM is half of AC. So I am writing AC upon 2. Why BM is half of BD? Why CM is half of AC? Because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. AB square plus BC square is equal to 2 BD square upon 4 plus 2 AC square upon 4. This will cancel. You will get 2 in the denominator. AB square plus BC square is equal to BD square upon 2 plus AC square upon 2. Multiplying throughout by 2, we will get 2AB square plus 2BC square is equal to BD square plus AC square. 2 will come here, 2 will come here, here 2 will cancel because multiplying by 2, here also 2 will cancel. Now 2AB square, we will write AB square plus AB square. 2BC square, we will write BC square plus BC square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now here 1AB square, other AB square, let us replace by CD square, because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. BC square plus the other BC will become BC is equal to AD. So in the place of BC, I am writing AD square because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, is equal to AC square plus BD square. Hence, it is proved what is required. Only one thing, AC square plus BD square we will write over here. And this entire thing will go that side. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Hence, it is proved. The sum number 10, we have Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively, from the same point and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15 root 2 km. Find their speed per hour. Suppose from point M, Pranali has started walking towards east direction. This is Pranali's route. She is going towards east direction and Prasad is going towards north. This is the route of Prasad. Prasad is going towards north direction. Now, they both are walking at the same speed. Suppose we consider their speed as x km per hour. Speed of Pranali also x km per hour. They are walking for 2 hours. So, time t 2 hours. Here also time t 2 hours. So at the end of 2 hours, how much distance Prasad has covered? Distance formula is speed into time. So Prasad has covered 2x kilometer. Pranali has also covered 2x kilometer. At the end of 2 hours, they are at a distance of 15 root 2 kilometer from each other. Now what we will do is, here we get one right angle triangle AMB. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. AM square plus MB square is equal to AB square. In the place of AM will come 2x the whole square. In the place of MB will also come 2x the whole square is equal to 15 root 2 the whole square. 4x square plus 4x square is equal to 450. How 450? 15 square is 225, root 2 square is 2. 225 into 2 will give you 450. 4x square plus 4x square, 8x square is equal to 450. 8 will come in the denominator. 450 upon 8. Cancellation will give you 225 upon 4. Square will become square root of 225 upon 4, which will become 15 upon 2, which will further result in 7.5. So their speed of walking was 7.5 km per hour. In sum number 11, there is one triangle BAC where angle BAC is 90 degree. BL is the median. CM is also the median. We want to prove 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. Because BL is the median, therefore L is the midpoint of AC. Let us consider AL and CL as X. CM is the median, therefore M is the midpoint of AB. Let us consider AM and BM as Y. Here we have three right angle triangles. One is right angle triangle BAC, the complete triangle. There is one right angle triangle BAL. And there is one more right angle triangle MAC. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem in all three. In right angle triangle BAC, by Pythagoras theorem we have BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. In the place of AB, let us substitute 2y. 2y the whole square. In the place of AC, 2x the whole square, which will become 4y square plus 4x square, statement number 1. Now in right angle triangle BAL, also by Pythagoras theorem, BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square. Substitute. In the place of AB will come 2y the whole square. In the place of AL will come x. 4y square plus x square, statement number 2. Now in right angle triangle MAC, by Pythagoras theorem, CM square is equal to AM square plus CA square is equal to, in the place of AM will come y, in the place of CA will come 2x the whole square, which will become y square plus 4x square, statement number 3. Now we have to prove 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. So let us do one thing. I will erase this diagram for some space requirement. First we will solve LHS. LHS is 4BL square plus CM square. Substitute the value. In the place of BL square will come 4y square plus x square from statement number 2. 4y square plus x square. In the place of cm square, we will substitute statement number 3, y square plus 4x square. 4y square plus y square, 5y square, x square plus 4x square, 5x square, which will further become 20y square plus 20x square. This is the answer of LHS. Now let us solve RHS. RHS is 5bc square. In the place of bc square, we will substitute statement number 1, which says 4y square plus 4x square. If you multiply this, you will get 20y square plus 20x square. Thus we see that the result of LHS and RHS are equal. So we have proved 4bl square plus cm square is equal to 5bc square. In 12th sum, it is given one parallelogram, which I have drawn over here. ABCD is a parallelogram. What else is given? Sum of the square of the adjacent sides is 130. So I have taken AB square plus BC square is equal to 130 square centimeter. If you wish, you can take BC square plus CD square 130, or CD square plus AD square 130, or AD square plus AB square 130. I have taken AB square plus BC square as 130. One diagonal is given 14, so I have considered diagonal AC as 14 centimeter. We have to find the other diagonal BD. Now in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, M is the midpoint of AC, M is the midpoint of BD also. Because M is the midpoint of AC, AM will become half of 14, 7. MC will also become 7, half of 14, because in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Now consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC where BM is the median, Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to 2bm square plus 2mc square. After applying Apollonius theorem, substitute the values. AB square plus BC square value is given 130. Twice BM square plus twice, in the place of MC will come 7 square. 130 is equal to twice BM square plus 2 into 49. 130 is equal to twice BM square plus 98. 130 minus 98 is equal to twice BM square. Twice BM square will become 32. If you subtract this, you will get 32. BM square 32 upon 2. BM square will become 16. Square will become square root of 16. BM will become 4 centimeter. If BM is 4 centimeter, then MD will also become 4 centimeter, because M is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, BD is equal to BM plus DM, 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. So we have found out the length of the other diagonal as 8 centimeter. In the 13th sum, there is one triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC, and DB is equal to 3CD. That is given. We have to prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Let us consider CD as X. DB is thrice CD. DB is thrice CD, so DB will become 3X. Let us consider AD as Y. Here we have two right angle triangles. One is right angle triangle ADB, other is right angle triangle ADC. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem in both. First, in right angle triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. In the place of AD will come y, in the place of DB will come 3x whole square. Y square plus 9x square, statement number 1. Now in right angle triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. In the place of AD will come y, in the place of CD will come x square, statement number 2. Now take LHS. LHS is 2AB square. Substitute the value of AB square. AB square from statement number 1 you will get AB square is equal to y square plus 9x square, which will become 2y square plus 18x square. 2 into 9, 18x square. This is the result of LHS. Now let us solve RHS. RHS is 2AC square plus BC square. In the place of AC square, we will substitute y square plus x square. BC is 3x plus x, 4x the whole square. Multiplying 2y square plus 2x square plus 16x square. 2y square plus 2x square plus 16x square will become 18x square. Thus we see that the result of LHS and RHS are same. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Before we start the 14th sum, I need to tell you about centroid. Centroid is the point of intersection of the three medians of a triangle. For example, here I have drawn one triangle ABC. AM is the median, so M is the midpoint of BC. AM is the median. Centroid lies on the median. Centroid lies on the median always. Centroid is the intersection point of all the three medians coming from the vertices A, B and C. Now you have to remember one property related to centroid. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, AG is to GM will become 2:1. AG is to GM will become 2:1, which can also be written as AG is equal to 2/3 AM. AG is equal to 2/3 AM. GM will become 1/3 AM. GM will become 1/3 of AM. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. In the 14th sum, there is one isosceles triangle. The length of the congruent side is given as 13 centimeter. The two congruent sides over here are AB and AC. They both are 13 centimeter. The base is 10 centimeter and find the distance between the vertex opposite to the base and the centroid. Here G is the centroid. Centroid lies on the median. Centroid G lies on the median. We have to find the length of AG. Because AM is the median, therefore M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC, so BM will become 5 centimeter. MC will also become 5 centimeter. In triangle ABC, AM is the median. So let us apply Parallelogram theorem over here. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2MC square. Substitute the values. AB 13 square, in the place of AC will also come 13. 2AM square plus 2 phi square. 169 plus 169, 2am square 2 into 25. 338 is equal to 2am square plus 50. 169 plus 169 will give you 338. 338 minus 50 is equal to 2am square. 50 will go on the other side minus. 2am square is equal to, if you subtract this, you will get 288. am square is equal to 288 upon 2. am square is equal to 144. Square will become square root of 144, and that is 12 centimeter. We have found out the length of the median AM. Now we have to find out length AG. Centroid, remember this property, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, AG will become 2/3 of AM. 2 upon 3, in the place of AM will come 12. Cancelling will give you 3 4s are 12. 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. So length AG is 8 centimeter.